Hello, good morning. Welcome to another exciting episode with Beyond Bay and Kubiku. I know you've been wondering how we are doing currently with our accounts, if we've passed the challenge or we're still on the challenge phase. I want to tell you that we are still on the challenge phase, and just a quick one this morning. I'm going to quickly give us some of the new plan. So we've added indices to what we'll be trading now. We've added US30 and SPS 500 is one of the indices. Two of those indices we're going to be adding just because I was reviewing them on weekend, and I can see there is quite a very good move on those pairs, on those indices. So we're going to be looking at that, but just a quick one for people who are curious about how the account is doing so far. So we're down about 5,000 because we were 7,000 plus on Thursday. Then we took a bad trade on Friday. It took a trade I should have exited, to be fair, because I was up profit of about 3,000, but based on the trading plan that I was waiting for it to hit my take profit, or if otherwise it's my stop loss, or at least I should have a reasonable reason why I should get out of the trade. But there was no reasonable reason. Unfortunately, it went back into our entry and hit the stop loss, so that give us a significant loss of about 4,000 on Friday, but we're able to make about 2,000 plus back from that, and that put us on 5,000 over the weekend. Then yesterday, Monday, I took a trade on US30, and unfortunately, because of the contract size, I lost quite a huge sum of the account. But that doesn't deter me, because I can understand that that was a mistake. Though again, I shouldn't have taken that trade because I took the trade on my phone, which is wrong, which is not the thing I would normally do. I would love to sit down and look at it critically on the system. It's easier to use the system and you're seeing clearly compared to using phone, but that's just by the way. So let's quickly see what is going on today. Let's go on to our Forex factory to see if there is any news. And as you can see here, we've got a news durable good order month and month, which will be coming by 1:30 from US, and consumer confidence at 3 o'clock. So I think this particular news might give US dollar some strength. Let's see what DSY is doing today. A quick one into DSY. Oh, I have a trade there, by the way. I have a trade on this GBP card, and it looked like it's going well. GBP USD dropped massively, not massive so to say, but on 15 minutes that's quite a good one. Let's quickly see that. Yeah, we're up to 157, so we're looking for exits around this level, and we might not be able to get to that level, but let's see. We might exit around this 4-hour moving average, because I'm thinking when the news is released at 1 o'clock, it's most likely that GBP is going to be bullish, but that's just my bias, by the way. So let's go back to DSY. So as you can see, DSY on daily time frame has been finding it hard to break this moving average. I'm still not convinced because it doesn't break it yet. Until we're able to have a surge down and come back to retest before I can completely agree that DSY is going down. So it still looks like the US dollar is still strong to some extent, even though there is this slight decline. But this week trade will give us an idea of what that look like, so to say. So let's go on to GBP USD and do a quick analysis. So like what I've been doing for the past 2 years now, this is one of the best thing I learned from Jeffrey Benson, and that is determining the high and low of the week. This thing worked very well, and when I say it worked very well, not necessarily determining trade, because you can see if you look at where the high and low of the week for last week is far away from the price, and that may not guide you to taking a trade, but then it gives you an idea. For example, we have this now, so there's chances that this market might retrace up onto this point. If there is no any fundamental that might push the price, on the contrary, because it looked like GBP/USD is bullish now. If there is no significant fundamental news that will push the trade down, that will push the market down, then we're going up. But before going up, we might test this 4-hour moving average or the low of the week, which in subsequent video I'm going to show us how to draw that. But okay, let me quickly do that now. So to determine low of the week, you go onto your 4-hour time frame, then you choose the first and the second candle. The highest point and the lowest point of the first and the second candle should be here. Yeah, so this is how to draw the high and low of the week. So what this means is that if there is a breakout up to this point and a breakout of about 50 pips above the high of the week, that means that we're bullish. We're going to be bullish for the rest of the week. And if there's a 50 pip breakout to the downside like this, that means we're going to be bearish for the rest of the week. So that's just by the way. It's so difficult to place trade around this, because as you can see from here to here, if you draw our ruler from here to here is already about 20 pips. So if you're going to set stop loss, then you're going to be looking at the key area and that which covers this. And before you can take this trade, then you have to be sure that there's a 50 pip breakout. So I'll do a video on that where I will explain my thoughts about it and everything. But that doesn't mean that it doesn't work. It's just that I use it differently now. So going back to our analysis, so before we can take a sell on GBP/USD, yeah, this is what we're expecting: a breakout of this magnitude, and if this push down a little bit and come back to retest this, a proper breakout, then we'll be sure that GBP/USD is most likely going down a little bit to up to this point. And on that, so this is what we'll be looking at. This is what we're going to be looking at. So let's say 10 pips because of the spread. So yeah, it's a 10 pips, 10 pips stop loss. Yes. So if the price come back to this, we're going to be taking a sell as well, and we'll be taking our profit here. So this is just how we're going to be rocking it this week. And for the indices, my bias on the indices at the moment is still going to be a sell. I know it's been bullish. You can see here from the daily time frame, we are very, very bullish. But looking at what happened here, I feel that the price might retrace a little bit. For long-time trader, they might continue to ride it up. But for us day trader, our plan is to make quick money. And I feel that at New York session, we're going to see a sell at least up onto this level, the 4-hour moving average level. The same thing with S&P 500. You can see I even set this in place, but I'm not taking the trade yet. Let's move it up. Right, it broke this neckline and it's coming back to retest it. Let's be hopeful. Maybe we can see a very good trade on those ones too. So to take the trade, we have to make sure that there is a break of the 15 minutes time frame and the retest of it before going down. Won't take any trade here until the 15 minutes time frame moving average is broken, and then up begin to push down. So those are the things for today. Those are the things we'll be looking at for today. Anyway, thank you very much for tuning in again. I really appreciate everyone who's been watching the video, who's been sharing with friends and colleagues. I cannot appreciate you enough for supporting, for liking the video. Thank you so much, and God bless. So that will be it for now, guys. Bye.